Good afternoon. I am Hari Krishnan, working as a lecturer in Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department of Al-Azhar Polytechnic. Today, I would like to have an introduction about AC Machines Lab 1 for S5 EEE students. AC Machines Lab 1 for S5, actually it is covering two topics, various experiments on transformers and also about three-phase induction motors. Before coming to the practical topics, let me have a very important point that when you are entering to an electrical workshop, you are handling with the live circuits and live machines. So you should be wearing proper uniforms with shoes, and also you should be familiar with all the machines in the lab. You should take down the nameplate details of all the machines and also the various power controls in the lab. In case of any emergency or any casualty, you should be able to disconnect the supply without having any confusion where the switching off points are. So you should be very familiar with the lab before doing the practical experiments. And also when you are selecting various meters for doing the practicals, the range of meters has to be selected appropriately. Regarding the transformer portion, we will be doing the four various experiments on transformers. The first experiment what we are going to do in a transformer is we will be doing the polarity test. As you know, which is very important when you are connecting two transformers, the polarity test is very important. Another experiment what you are going to do on transformers is, you know that when a transformer is operated in practical, it has got various losses, and the performance of the transformer varies when it is operated at various power factors. So we will be loading the transformer at various power factors, and we will be studying its performance characteristics, including the regulation and also the efficiency calculations. Also we have to do the short circuit and open circuit test on transformers, and we have to draw the equivalent circuit of the transformer with reference to the primary and also with reference to the secondary. Also we will have to connect three single phase transformers. We will be connecting in star delta mode and we will be calculating the efficiency. So these are the various experiments what you are going to do in transformers. And when coming to the three phase motors, we will be doing the dismantling and assembling of a slip ring induction motor. Also the starters of the slip ring induction motors also we have to dismantle and assemble them. And in three phase induction motors, we have to take the no load condition, no load losses has to be ascertained, and also we have to load the induction motor, and we have to plot the performance of the three phase induction motor on a load condition also. So these are the various experiments what we will be doing in AC Machines Lab 1. So we will be having a familiarization of all the machines. We will be presenting you the videos of all the sign plates of all the machine nameplate. We will familiarize you the machines first, then we will go for the practicals. Okay, thank you.